The marble begins at rest, maintaining 100% gravitational potential energy. As it rolls down the ramp, it increases in kinetic energy. Some of this energy becomes sound and dissipated energy, also known as friction. The marble falls into a bucket as part of a pulley. The marble's kinetic energy is absorbed when it impacts the bucket. The absorbed kinetic energy is transferred to the other side of the pulley, raising a lever. The kinetic energy of the pulley is transferred to one end of the lever. As the lever is raised, the golf ball goes from 100% mechanical potential energy into a mix of kinetic, sound, and dissipated energy. The golf ball transfers its kinetic energy to the first domino. This repeats between 3 more dominoes. The fourth domino transfers its kinetic energy to a marble placed at the end of the platform. The marble absorbs the domino's kinetic energy and begins to roll. The marble falls into a Dixie cup. The Dixie cup takes some of the momentum away from the marble. The marble loses gravitational potential energy as it gets closer to the ground. The waxy inside of the cup provides little friction, but some dissipated energy is still present. The rest of the marble's energy is split between kinetic and sound energies. As the marble leaves the final cup, it enters a foam noodle tube. The marble's dissipated energy increases because there is more friction produced on the foam's surface. The marble rolls from the foam tube onto a smoother table. It comes into contact with a domino in which it transfers its kinetic energy. The dominoes continue to transfer kinetic energy throughout each other. They then hit a Jenga block, which transfers its energy to a Jello package, then transferring energy to a book. Finally, the book transfers its kinetic energy to the softball. The softball falls off the edge of the table, increasing in kinetic energy and hitting the ground, resulting in 0% gravitational potential energy. The ball is connected to a wooden block. The force of the softball falling pulls the string, removing the block from under the baking soda. The baking soda falls into the vinegar, resulting in a mixture of chemical and endothermic energy. The solution also contains sound energy. The mixture causes the ping pong ball to rise to the top of the container. The ball gains kinetic energy as it rolls down the ramp and finally falls into the Dixie cup.